right underneath us, Lucy. Come on, hit it. Hit it. It's right there. Rightio, I said the next video will be about installing the Helix 12 Gen 4. Getting ready to put the Mega Live on. I've installed the unit and I'll be showing you a video on that. I did a motor install. I've got the install for the unit coming up now. I haven't got my Mega Live transducer, so it's just the install of the unit. Got the pole. I've actually got the down image and side image and transducer off the back of the pole, which is working really well. I want to keep it separate from everything else, just its own power and everything by itself on that unit for when I get into the Mega Live. So as I said, the install will be at the back half of the video. I have been nailing some really good fish. The extra real estate on that 12-inch screen, I'm seeing fish, and instead of going that might be a fish or not, I'm actually pulling up, having a cast at them and nailing a few. Right, snag me up, mate. Here you come. Stay on there, stay on there. I knew you were sitting there, trawling past that snag over there. Between that little snag and the big one, I could see a fish sitting mid-water, just sitting there. I wish I'd have taken a screenshot of that fish on the bird. Got some really good content coming that's not in this video. I've got enough content to have 6 months off now probably and just do a video every couple of weeks. I won't do that, I'm going to keep fishing. Matter of fact, I'm trying to stitch this video together as quick as I can so I can get back out the river. It's currently 40 degrees. I had yesterday off because I put a treble through my finger, right in the knuckle. Had to go to the doctors and get it out. Anyway, here's the 12-inch screen. Few bits of pieces of fish, few photos. I'm not going to do that fit content just yet. That's for other videos. This is just about the Helix 12 and how good it is. Save some. Good old anti-seize needed. Ratchet Allen key is what I need. Which way I want this one. That seems fairly solid. When I'm driving, it'd have to be as safe as anything, wouldn't it? So wiring next.
Turning an old fishing boat into a bass boat.
Bass boat?
That's what it's starting to look like.
Fuse in. We've got to run all these wires somewhere yet. Through there, along that plate into the battery. Here's the next bit. Let's turn this on. Still got the screen cover on it. What's this going to say? Simply clearer, better. English. Type of water, fresh. Eastern Standard Time. Whoa, holy moly. Menu. Dynamic contrast on. Oh my God, look at that. System status 2.440. So that's the first thing I need to update. Mega Live unconnected, so this is already set up for Mega Live. Well, there you go. Somewhere, 2 slot cards. Shutting down. Set up. Restore defaults. Yes. Replacing the software on this unit will restore the factory defaults. Losing power during process may corrupt the unit. Requires shipment of Humminbird for service, which is not covered under warranty. Replacing the software 2.440 with 2.660. Yes. Abort software. No. Whoa. She's doing it. Updating software. Leave power on. No, not Budapest, English, freshwater, and exit. Current software version 2.60, version 2, no update required. Exit. Rightio, I'm going to shut it down. Shutting down. Restart it. Colour. Let's get out of this. Let's go and find it. Holy moly! We have to have a little bit of a play with this. Take that down even further. Oh, that's sexy. Jeez, you can do a split screen on the whole thing. What do we got here? Persistence is what I'm interested in. I will be playing with this. Grid on. Record live. Bloody oath. What do you think? You're going to have trouble getting around there now, aren't you? No idea what you're doing, do you? Lay that down there. Look out now. While I'm waiting for me Mega Live transducer to turn up, I've mounted the side imaging on the pole just so I can keep it all separate. Rightio. Next thing is get her on the water.